So guys, you might have saw like a quick flash or something. But anyways, it's been a while since I have recorded. It's been a couple years. And yeah. So I just wanted to do a different game than last time because we did like a Roblox video and a reaction video. So today we'll be doing another when we play a game, and it'll be called it's called Clone Drone in the Danger Zone. Okay? So we will be playing on single player endless mode. Okay, so endless mode is what you would expect. You fight battling robots as for your robot, and you try to survive for as long as you can. Challenges, it says it right here, right under the challenges button. It says unlock new abilities by completing challenges, and in Twitch mode, people bet on how you will die. Story mode, it's just a normal story. So try to beat this guy, the Emperor. Okay? So we'll be going into endless mode. And yeah, we're gonna see what this does. Okay? See you guys in the level. Okay guys, so we're at the level. So what? Hey! Whoa! You weren't supposed to see that? That was embarrassing? Yeah. Just don't talk about that, okay? So, as you can see, we have some robots, and they got spears. So, let's just call them spear bots. There's a dialogue at the top of the screen, and you can read that to see what the hosts of this robot is. Not the Emperor, it's those guys. You see that guy that's green and red? They both host this. So, yeah. There's saws that kill you. And yeah, so now that we completed this level, we can upgrade, as you can see. So yeah. So we can do any of these. Should go with the bow or hammer? I'll go with hammer. So anyways, guys, if you see this, so also you can look on the screen that there's a red sword robot and a red hammer boy. So if I just press 3, pull out a hammer, and also I'm yellow, like P. So yeah, what? Hammers are pretty good, I must say. Oof, nearly died there, I must admit. So yeah, we're gonna go on until we die, okay? Or until this video goes on for like 10 minutes maybe? Yeah, till 10 minutes. And if that happens, so then it'll go on for quite a long time. Ooh. Hold on. Michael. Destroy your leg. Destroy yours. Dash. And then smash. Smash you? Also no, it's not what you think it is. Well, if you're dirty-minded. So yeah. He was about to smash me with his hammer. What? Oh, bruh. Oh, come on! So I'm gonna go kill some of them. Oi, bruv. close. Oh. What the heck? Okay, that's one down. That is another one. Smash! So you may have saw a little flash of stuff. But yeah, that is a might. If not, well, just don't go back in the video to see. Please, just don't. It's gonna prove useless. Okay? There's no point in wanting to know. Okay, destroy you. We got some archers now. Okay, I'll go for you. Okay, I might need if you were looking, like when I was picking an upgrade, you might have saw the upgrade Fire Hammer. So I might need to upgrade to that, so then when I hit someone's leg, it will set them on fire, and hopefully it will kill them. So please just don't delete me, okay? Plus they're robots, not actual humans. Okay, so anyways, let's just ignore that part. How are they shield bots? Whoa. Okay. I gotta jump. Oh, get out of here, mate. Oh, that is the worst mistake you will ever make. Oh. Aww. So as you can see, we have other things, but meh. Okay, next character. So you like to see humans die, eh? Yeah, you may have not heard it, but yet again, actually I don't think you even heard it because I did not hear it. Why am I saying that? Because there's dialogue at the top of the screen. So yeah. Okay, last time, if we die, then we end. Okay? Let's go set off sword on fire. So yeah. We're gonna go up and slash. Stab and slash. Stab and slash. Oh no. Stab slash. Ouch. Stop hurting me. I might need to repair myself after this one. Oh no. I might die this time. Okay. A promise is a promise. So, yeah. It's been nice, but yet again, a promise is a promise. So, yeah, guys. Goodbye. Hope you had a nice time. Okay? Bye.